Hi there. Here we're going to take a moment to talk about how to select certain cases when you're interested in just seeing, for example, the treatment group or the control group in your data set and just using that for the analysis. In these cases, we can go to Data, which is the fourth menu over from the left. And when we click on Data, a drop-down menu appears. If you scroll down to Select Cases, then this pop-up box appears. The default is all cases, and we want to select if condition is satisfied, and then we click on the if box. Now this is where we can select our grouping variable. So if I'm interested, let's say, in gender, and maybe only looking at males or females, and I can move gender over and say if gender is equal to, whatever the labeling is. I might have to go back to data view to see, right? Like if it's 1 or 0, based on who I want, whose data I want to use. But I typically use the grouping variable. So here I might say if group is equal to 1, I know that's going to be the treatment group, right? So then I click continue. And sometimes SPSS runs a little bit slowly, so there might be a little bit of a delay. Now, actually, it looks like I wrote 11, so that was a typo. I've got to fix that. Okay, and then I click OK. And the process is completed, and you can see that it also gave me, it also pulled up the output data, but what I really want to see is the data view and scroll all the way to the all the way over to where the grouping variable is. So for group, this third column over it, you can see that it's all ones, right? There's no zeros present. So that process has worked. And so that's how you select certain cases. I hope this was helpful.